Hello friends, if you have any Android source code ready with you and if you want to dump that project on GitHub, or I can simply say if you want to integrate your Android source code with GitHub, then here is the right solution you are going to get. Just watch this video till end to integrate Android project with GitHub. My name is Nikhil Lotke and you're watching Support Mania. For GitHub integration, this is what the github.com you need to open this site. Here you will find the sign up section. You can just simply create by entering username, email address and password. So you will get a verification email, and with the help of that you can sign up over here. So in my case I'm having already account with GitHub, so I'm going to show after login what will be the screen. So after login you will get this dashboard where I'm not having a single project on GitHub, so I'm going to show you how you can commit over here and all, how you are going to dump this project into this. So if you will click on start project, by default it is going to give you the screen where you need to give a repository name and some kind of description if you want. Then the public and private, these are two repository sections you will find. So public is a free version, and if you click on private, so you need to pay $7 per month. Why? Because if you to select this option private, then your source code will be safe and nobody can view your source code. And this public means if you dump this any project on GitHub, so anybody can view, anybody can comment on that and make some changes into it. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you, with the help of public, I'm going to commit my source code to GitHub repository. So just open Android Studio. I'm having git integration as my sample source code, and I want to dump this project into GitHub account. Before doing that, you need to go to git-scm.com, and inside download section, okay, you need to download uh, this software what GitHub is recommended. Okay, if you are using Mac OS or Windows or Linux, Solaris, for these OS you will find the release version. Okay, so I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this. Okay, in my case I'm having already downloaded version, so what I'll do is I'll just pause this, and inside my download section, if you see, so simply run this setup. Over here make sure that you should select third option, which is use git and option Unix tools for a Windows command prompt, and then click on next, and click on install. Don't worry, it will take some time. So once the setup installation is completed successfully, just click on finish, go back to Android Studio again, then click on file, settings, inside that search for git. Okay, here you will find a path to git executable. You need to do one thing, just browse to the location where we have done the setup. So in my case I've set up in C drive program files, then search for git folder. Yeah, here it is. Inside that bin folder, this is what the git.exe is. Just select this and click on OK. So this is what the path you are going to see, and then click on test. You will see, if you see this message, then only you can able to commit your project on Git, otherwise not. So in my case Git executed successfully, and I'm going to click OK. But before doing that, you can also see a GitHub section over here. So you just need to give your credentials, like here you need to provide a host name that is predefined github.com and here you need to provide your credentials like login and password. Click on OK. So what next? So you'll find this VCS section. Click on that. Click on enable version control integration. Then you need to select Git. You can see created a Git repository with this location. Okay, and also you can cross check this files turns into red color, so that means that is not a checkout in your Git repository. So to do that, what next step you need to follow? Click on VCS again, then go back to import into version control, then share project on GitHub. Here in my case, I have already given all the credentials. Because of that, I'm directly getting this pop-up. If you are not already installed, if you have not provided any credentials before, so you will get a pop-up saying you need to enter your hosting account and then the username and password. But since in my case I have already given the credentials, so I am directly getting this master password. I've already previously set up this master password, so I'm going to enter that one and click on OK. So new repository I'm going to create is Git integration, same as what my project name, and I'll click on share. So you can see this entire thing I want to share on GitHub. Click on if you want any message you need to write, you can give it over here, but I'll simply say initial commit and click on OK. See, pushing to GitHub master. So you will find this pop-up like saying add this file to Git. I'll say remember and don't ask me again and click on OK. Yes. Now go back to GitHub. Okay, and this is on my dashboard presently, and here you can see Git integration is already there in this repository. It has been created. Click on it. There are no pull requests, and also what I'll do is I'll just import this. To do import, so now my project is successfully dumped into GitHub repository. So now go back to repository and cross check. Yeah, so here it is, Git integration projects. I'm just gonna click on that. You can find that all this folder structure as well as files are there on the server, Git server. Okay, I'll show you how to commit your code from Android Studio. So here I'll write something like this is my test code. Okay, so you can see that this file turned into a blue color, which means this is not yet there on Git server. So now if I want to commit this, either you can select this and click on VCS commit changes over here and take update project from here. To commit the changes, click on this, right click on it and click on Git, then commit file. Here you need to give your initial commit message. I'll give and click on commit and push. Click on push again. You can see one file committed, test comment, pushing. Yeah, push successfully. Push. Now go back to Git account again, refresh this page. Yes, you can see a test comment. So that's all, guys. Hope you have understood the integration of GitHub with Android Studio project. And if you in description below, you will find all the links for this github.com, as well as from where you will download this software GitHub. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Also, if you have any doubts, just write in your comment box. I'll make sure to give you all best possible answers to you guys. Thank you so much.